भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good afternoon, friends. So you are hearing Ayushi with Team Bharati News, and we are here at BVI Camp campus on the day 3 of the induction program. And as you all know, that the induction program at BVI campus has something new and miraculous every day and each day. So today, at the second hour of the session, we have with us Miss Kaveri, who is an entrepreneur into social media marketing, and also she is a professional speaker about mental health. So she looks out to the clients of the mental health also, and she is here to teach our students about the prioritization, about the planning processes. Let's have a word with her. So audience, here we have our new guest, Miss Kaveri, with us. So she is a professional speaker about mental balance and mental health. I'll be taking some few questions from her. Hi Kaveri ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you?
Perfect, amazing as always. How are you?
I am also good. So Kaveri ma'am, first I think I should highlight that you are the alumni of this institute, Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute.
I take pride in being an alumni and a student of Fudasta.
Okay, so Miss Kaveri, I want to ask one of the advice that you would like to give to our students who are just in a race of holistic development and they have to keep up with their mental stress and mental pressure also. What would you suggest to them?
There's something that everybody says. It is about that everything is there in the mind. So when everything is there in the mind, it is everything which is here. All your limiting beliefs are here. All your success is here. So why don't we take care of this as much as we take care of everything else? So please start taking care of your mental health as much as you take care of the other things.
Okay, Kaveri ma'am, I think I have seen many people in the race of becoming some or the other. And those who are not at some place, they are in the rush or they are in the doubt that how should we reach there. How do you manage such cases if they are with you?
Okay, so every one of us is an individual, right? All of us have our own strengths. All of us have our own weaknesses. And every one of us, just a second. Every one of us is, कंडीशनड कि यार इसकी लाइफ में ये हो गया, इसकी लाइफ में ये हो गया, मेरी लाइफ में अभी तक नहीं हुआ. वो जो सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स हैं या जो सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स अभी तक बन चुके हैं, उन सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स की वजह से आप अपनी लाइफ में चीज़ें करना बंद कर दीजिए. जब आप किसी चीज़ के लिए रेडी हैं, गो फॉर दैट देन. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू आर रेडी फॉर अ हसल बिजनेस, गो फॉर इट. इन केस यू थिंक नहीं, मैं अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ और अभी मेरे को अपनी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना है, मेरी कैपेबिलिटी सिर्फ उतनी है कि मैं सिर्फ अपनी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे सकता हूँ, गो फॉर दैट. इन केस यू थिंक मेरे पास उतना टाइम जो है मैं हसल कर सकता हूँ, गो फॉर दैट. क्योंकि कोई और शादी कर रहा है, क्योंकि कोई और हसल बिजनेस कर रहा है, डोंट गो फॉर दैट. क्योंकि किसी और ने शादी कर ली, क्योंकि किसी और की आपकी एज के उसमें बच्चे हो गए, डोंट गो फॉर दैट.
Okay, though you are an entrepreneur, you have your own social media marketing business, but on the other side, you are a professional speaker or you are launching something new for looking out to the people for mental health also. So doing MCA and landing up to this, what is the journey all about?
I believe learning is the key. Learning is the only thing which is constant in life. So change is, as they say, change is something. So हर छोटी चीज़ जो आप ज़िंदगी में लर्न करते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके आपको फ़ायदा करती है. धीरे धीरे करके आप अपना रास्ता बनाए चलते हैं. खैर मुझे शुरू से ही बचपन से ही यही सुनने को मिला है कि कावेरी तेरा नाम तो है ही नदी वाला, तू तो अपना रास्ता बना ही लेगी. तो मुझे यही लगा कि जो चीज़ें मैंने आई हैव सीन इन माई लाइफ, या जिन चीज़ों के साथ हमने स्ट्रगल किया था कि हमें गाइड करने वाला कोई नहीं था हमारी स्टूडेंट लाइफ में, तो वो चीज़ें अगर स्टूडेंट्स को टाइम से बता दी जाएं, इट्स बेटर.
So you gave a wonderful session about priority planning to our students. What other advice or major advice you would like to give to these youth?
Collect experiences as much as you can. Do not run behind things. Run behind experiences. जितने experiences life में कर सकते हो करो. Go for theatre, go for travel, go for the hobbies that you have. अपनी पढ़ाई की तरफ ध्यान दो, लेकिन experiences को मत छोड़ो.
Okay, another last question I have from you. You did your MCA around 2006, I say?
2006-2009 batch.
Okay, so then there was a campus and now there is a campus with a new course, New Wing BA JMC with something new studios and all. What is your take on it?
it is amazing how, you know, Bharati Vidyapeeth has grown and you know, launched new courses, and I'm sure हुडा सर के अंडर सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे से रहेंगी. तो जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जितने लोग हैं, जितने टीचर्स हैं यहाँ पे, जितना यू नो ओल्ड एज के लोग हैं, या जो हम ये कहेंगे कि हुडा सर बहुत एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आ रहे हैं, जितना उनसे निचोड़ सकते हो उनके एक्सपीरियंस को निचोड़ लो.
Thank you so much. Thank you for giving us time. Thank you to have you here.
so much.
Thank you. So friends, that's how Miss Kaveri, our expert speaker, told you about how to cope up with mental pressure, with development, as well as to take up to the challenges that are coming day by day to our lives. She guided our students very well. With Team Bharati News, I would like to take your sign off. Also stay connected to us for future updates and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.